Next, I want an example for MTD. MTD is what? Month to date, from the first day of the month till current date. Okay. So how do you get this out? I think knowing this, you should be able to implement this. From this, what should I do? I should pick month, year and month both, because that gives me current month and year. From there, append that with 01. That becomes first day of that month, current. Yes or no? If I take just the year and then put 010, whichever the month it is, it gets on to first day of the month. But if from the current date, if I just pick the first 6 characters, it gives me current month, year and month, and I just concatenate 012. That becomes what? First day of the month of current month. In this scenario, you may not find difference because it is already in Jan. So first day of the month Jan, first day of the year Guda Jan first day. So you may not find difference. Okay, but still how to go to this? Getting what I'm saying? Yeah. Again, I'll restrict with the variable. MTD processing type what? Details again. I want what? Interval. So again, should I go about right? Implement the logic now. Will that be same? Except what? Here I would say first pick the first 6 characters and then concatenate only with 01, month, day, M day, M date, M date. How many of you have an issue with this? Now the variable should be replaced with what this MTD is. So is it clear? Nothing much in it. So it's in the month of Jan. I told you it's already no difference for it because it is already in January. So current date is 31st and first day of the month is 31st. But if I want to debug this, how would I do? So just insert a breakpoint on this. Executes. So first thing I want you to focus is by default, you will have parameter called I_VName. What is the name of the variable? So it has triggered your code by passing the variable name to the parameter automatically to I_VName. Then ultimately you will have structure called L_T_ range. Now when you say clear that, when you execute the statement of clear, it should be clean now. There is no data for this. Now you start assigning a sign is low, first day of the month, I is my current date, sign is I, and op is between. From this, ultimately when you say append from structure to table, it obviously inserts into table. The same record gets into the table, include, between, and what are the values you put into this table E_T_ range is updated to my variable. Clear? Okay.